Pollution. Our Earth, the planet on which we live, consists of living and non-living things. The living things are plants, animals, and human beings. The non-living things are air, rivers, mountains, clouds, etc. In our environment, there is a balance between living and non-living things, but some human activities have disturbed this balance. The increasing number of population increases these activities, which lead to the production of waste. This waste destroys our air, water, and land. What is pollution? The addition of harmful substances in air, water, and land is called pollution. Air pollution. When harmful substances like gases, dust particles, smoke, or odor arises and mixes with air, it causes air pollution. Causes. Gases like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, hydrocarbons, etc. released from automobiles cause air pollution. Smoke releases from burning fuels in automobiles or in factories. Burning coal and wood at homes also pollute air. The dust particles arise from crops, sweeping houses and roads, cleaning furniture, spraying fertilizers, etc. also pollute air. Effects. Air pollution can cause cough, breathing problems, and burning of the eyes. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans by human activities. Causes. Water pollution is caused when garbage from houses, industrial wastes, agricultural wastes, chemicals from factories, fertilizers, and insecticides are discharged directly or indirectly into water bodies. Effects. Water pollution affects drinking water, rivers, lakes, and oceans all over the world. Drinking polluted water causes many waterborne diseases like diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, etc. Polluted water of water bodies affects aquatic animals and plants. Land or soil pollution. Land pollution is the destruction of the Earth's land surface directly or indirectly as a result of human activities. Causes. Land pollution is caused when waste from various sources is not disposed of properly. It occurs when domestic waste, industrial waste, chemicals used in pesticides, fertilizers, and insecticides are thrown directly onto the soil. Effects. Land pollution reduces the fertility of soil. It causes soil erosion, which indirectly affects all forms of life on Earth's surface. Chemicals destroy the crop quality and their productivity. Steps to prevent pollution. Walking or cycling does not create any pollution. It will also be good for your body, as regular exercise will keep you fit and healthy. Use buses and trains instead of cars. Do not throw scrap food, polythene bags, empty water bottles, or food wraps anywhere on the road. Always throw it in a trash bin. Never throw any waste, chemicals, soaps, or toxins down into lakes and rivers where fish, birds, and other animals will suffer. Instead, dispose them properly and safely. Do not waste paper. Many trees have been cut down to make paper. Do not use polythene bags or plastic bags as they do not rot and mix with soil. Always use cloth bags. Compost is the best method of preventing pollution and making your garden soil rich in nutrients. Dispose of vegetable peelings, fruit rinds, eggshells, leftover food products. Leave it in a compost pit for some days. After some days, they will rot and mix with the soil. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce your needs. Do not collect things which you do not need. Use your things again and again over a long period of time. Recycling makes your waste into reusable form. Wastes like paper, plastic, glass, aluminum cans can be recycled and turned into new products.